Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert basic sentences into better and more beautiful sentences. Many students write simple lines, but they do not know how to improve them. Don't worry, today I will show you easy steps to change a basic sentence into more interesting and descriptive one. We will use a fun beach picture to understand everything step by step. So let's get started and make our sentences smarter and more impressive. Start with the first sentence. It is a sunny day and the beach is full of fun. So this is the simple sentence, correct sentence, but it is too plain, right? So in this we add describing words, we add more details, we add feelings or mood. So what will be the final sentence? It is a bright sunny day and the beach is filled with laughter, fun, splashing waves, cheerful people enjoying their day. Okay, so this is the first sentence. So why this sentence is good? Because there is a good use of describing words, nice list of details, feelings, smooth and natural flow. Second sentence. Two girls are sitting on a boat and eating a yummy cake. So what extra details you can add? Two cheerful girls are sitting happily on the boat, enjoying a delicious chocolate cake together. So this way we can add details. Third sentence, a man is relaxing on the boat. So what the other details that you can see? Yes, a man in green t-shirt wearing shades is lying comfortably on the boat enjoying the warm sunshine. So these details we can add in our sentence to make it more impressive. Fourth sentence, a man is driving a jeep on the beach. So this is the fourth sentence. What extra details we can add? Yes, a man is driving a blue jeep on the beach enjoying the sunny weather. This way we can write. Fifth sentence, there are two birds sitting on a rock. This you can see. What extra details you can add? Two white birds with yellow beak are resting peacefully on a rock near the water. So this way we can write. Sixth one, some children are swimming in the sea and playing with a beach ball. So what extra details we can add? Happy children are enjoying swimming and playing with a colorful beach ball. So this way we can write. Seventh one, two dogs are also sitting on the boat. Here you can see. So what details we can add? Two cute dogs are looking out from the boat with excitement. Eighth one, a man is climbing the ladder of the boat. So this is the sentence. What extra details you can add? Another man is climbing up the ladder to get back onto the boat. This way we can improve. Ninth one, a yellow hat is floating on the water. What extra details you can add? A yellow hat is floating gently on the surface of the sea. The 10th one, a family is sitting under an umbrella. So this is the 10th sentence. So what extra details you can add? A family is relaxing happily under a red and white umbrella. Right? So this way we can write, and in this way you have learned how to convert basic sentences into better and more meaningful sentences by adding details and describing words and feelings. Now it's your turn to practice and take any simple sentence from the picture and try to improve it using the steps we learned. So one example is here for you. Five fish are swimming in the sea near the boat. So now you write your own beautiful sentence by adding details in the comment box. So in the end, remember, practice will make your writing stronger and more creative. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy English learning. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.